Hey friends, today I want to talk about the 2-minute rule. This is how I get a lot of things done because ultimately I'm kind of lazy. So this is how I get bills paid right away. This is how my mail goes into the recycling right away. This is how I avoid, oh, I'm just going to put this here for now. The 2-minute rule means if I can do it in 2 minutes or less, I'm not going to wait until later. I'm just going to get it done right now. That might mean a phone call, paying a bill. Often if I think, oh, I want to give this to someone, I take a picture and text the picture to them. Hey, do you want this? Super easy. Maybe making a donation. Man, I'm looking through my closet. I don't like this shirt. I never actually wear it. It's going to take me 2 minutes or less to carry it downstairs when I go and put it in my donation container. 2 minutes or less, the 2-minute rule. It's kind of amazing, even though it's super simple, which simple and easy is my motto. So of course, I love the 2-minute rule. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you do get done with the 2-minute rule. I would love to hear it. Have fun.